So guys, in this video you will learn how to animate your any kind of objects or text inside your enemies. So it's too much easy. If you want to know about how can you give animation, then you have to watch this video until the last, and after watching this video you will learn to animate your any kind of objects or your any kind of things which you want to include inside enemies. So guys, just you have to watch this video until the last if you want to know about that. So you will learn how can you animate or how can you give animation inside your enemies software. So it's too much easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new in my YouTube channel, do subscribe to get more videos on my YouTube channel. And if you are also technology lover, then you have to subscribe my YouTube video. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So guys, today in this video we are going to learn how can we give animation to your any kind of objects, text and the images. So it's too much easy, so just you have to watch this video until the last to know how can you add animation inside your Animiz Animation Maker. So after this, just click in the new empty project. So now you can see here, this is the interface of the Animiz Animation Maker. So guys, now after this, if I want to add the text, so I'm just going to here. Okay, just wait for a moment. It's getting little bit problem maybe. So just click in the add text, and from here you have to drag like this. So I'm just typing demo text, and from here you can increase the size, and from here also you can increase the size, and you can change and you can change the text of the color from here. So I'm changing the color. Okay, so now you can see here, this is the demo text, right? So how can you add the animation to your demo text? So it's too much easy. So first of all, now you can see here there is a demo text available. Okay, so first of all, just click in the plus button, and now you can see here there are different kind of animation available. So if I want to click in the text effects, not I think inside the all, maybe demo text bounce. So I'm using this one, flashing color. Okay, so after this I need to increase this camera until here. So I need to move this one to this side. So if I click here, it's giving me the animation, right? But this is the default animation. So if I want to change this one, just right click and click in the replace animation, and now you can see here this is a hand-drawn animation available, but I think if I want to use this one, so this is okay for me. So if I click here, so now you can see here, it's giving me attractive type of the animation, right? Okay, so this is the way how can you add the animation inside your text inside the Animiz Animation Maker. Or if you want to add more animation here, just click in the just wait for a moment and just drag this one up to here and right click, and you can just replace the animation. Okay. Okay, so if I want to remove this one, just delete object. So not the delete object. I think I need to delete animation. If I want to delete this one also, delete animation. Okay, so guys, basically now you can see here there is a three animation. The first one is for the starting animation, the second one is for the middle animation, and the third one is for the exit animation. Okay, so you have to understand that one. So now let's move on to our another features, that is for the shapes. If you want to move the shape, so if I'm just creating a shape in this side, so now you can see here is a text, right? Okay, so if I want to increase the size, from here you can increase and decrease the size, opacity, border color. I think I should to give the border color red, and the border size, and from here you can increase the border size. So if I click here, what will happen this one? Okay, so for this one, just I'm changing the animation, replace animation, and I think the animation from hand to right, hand from right. Okay, so if I click this one, oh, so now you can see it's too much easy, right? Okay, this one also I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so if I click here, if I press the sorry, yes, it is the amazing kind of animation, right? So let's move on to it our another emphasis animation. So you can move this like this also. So if I click here, I think my PC is getting hang in this time. Okay, so if I click here in the plus button, and if I went inside the bounce border, and okay, yeah, now you can see there is a four effects, right? Yeah, now you can also use this one, this kind of effects inside your any kind of shapes. I think it will work like the glitch also. Maybe in the replace animation, I think I will give the replace color the blue. Okay, and if I play this one from here, yeah, it is look like the glitch also. So you can give this kind of animation inside your animation Animiz Animation Maker. So let's move on to image. So just put your cursor here, and I'm just clicking in the image and add local image, and from here I'm just selecting one of my images. So I'm just using this image. So this is my image, right? So I'm going to move this one. So what to do? So for this one, so now you can see here is a few default effects, right? So for this one, just right click and replace animation, and I think I should to give the hand drawn animation image, and just click in the OK. So it's taking little bit time, and just click in the confirm. So if I click here, and if I increase the animation length, so now you can see here it's drawing the amazing kind of it's giving me the amazing type of the animation, right? So you can also use this one, and there are different kind of things available. You can use the character also, and you can use the animation widget. You can use the different kind of effects, and there is a call out also available. You can use the SVG images, you can use the sound, and we will discuss in every series, but today we just learn how can you add the animation in the Animiz Animation Maker. So in our further series we will learn to how can we use the character, and how can you use the sound and different kind of things available inside the Animiz Animation Maker. So guys, this much for today. Hoping that you understand to aid animation in any kind of objects, text, images inside Animiz. So if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video on that problem also. Just you have to give me a suggestion in comment box. Okay, so if you get some knowledge from this video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more videos, and share this video who are trying to learn Animiz, and I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.